Social media is a common topic in the IELTS speaking test. Today, I'll share some useful phrases and example sentences on this topic. At the end of the video, I'll share questions to practice these phrases, and you can watch sample answers here. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. 1. Stay connected with friends and family.
I use social media to stay connected with friends and family who live in different parts of the world.
2. Interact through comments or messages.
I often interact through comments or messages to share my thoughts and stay engaged.
3. Follow celebrities and influencers.
Many teenagers follow celebrities and influencers to see their daily lives.
4. Browse my feed.
In my free time, I like to browse my feed to see what my friends have been up to.
5. Catch up on posts.
Every morning, I catch up on posts from news outlets and friends.
6. Change the way people communicate.
Social media has changed the way people communicate, making it faster and more direct.
7. Faster and more convenient communication.
Messaging apps on social media provide faster and more convenient communication than emails.
8. Shorter, less personal conversations.
One downside of social media is that it can lead to shorter, less personal conversations.
9. Share updates instantly.
Social media allows people to share updates instantly, whether it's a personal moment or breaking news.
10. Educational content.
Social media offers educational content, allowing children to learn new skills through tutorial videos and groups.
That's the end of the phrases. Now, let's look at some questions about social media. Part 1. Do you use social media often? Which social media platforms do you prefer? How do you usually spend your time on social media? Do you think social media has changed the way people communicate? Have you ever met someone in person after first interacting on social media? Part 2. Describe a social media platform you like to use. You should say what the platform is, how often you use it, what you use it for, and explain why you like it. Part 3. What are the positive and negative effects of social media on society? Do you think social media influences people's opinions? How? Do you think children should be allowed to use social media? Why or why not? How can people ensure they use social media responsibly? That's the end of today's video. You can find the link to the sample answer video in the description.